Hello, CR's back, Creative Redundancy. You guys want to see these homemade pouches that I made? Now, these homemade pouches were made by reusing material like you see my CR logo is on right here. So basically what you're seeing would be the outside and that's the inside. So basically this is the inside, so inside is out. So some lines near and stop near the top so you can actually make a fold afterwards and make a kind of the top part of this pouch. 2 lines on the side to make the walls. Then bring the inside out so it'll appear like this afterwards. So basically you'll get a pouch like this, which I still have to complete. And here's a smaller one right here. I've reinforced the edges near the top after making that fold near the top here. And basically right here is one that's more complete. Basically I use some thread and there's some kite string, and I think this one actually has inner strand of parachute cord as the binding cordage for this pouch. You can see right here I still have to complete it a little bit more. I have this hole punch tool that I put inside of this pouch to store it. So even you can make these homemade pouches like I have right here. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, press down on that like this hole punch, and water it to make it grow. So as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Peace out from CR.